Welcome, today we're going to show you how to download WhatsApp status to gallery. So it's actually very easy. So there's two methods to do that. The first one is to go to the person that you want to actually get the status from. So if it's your friend, you can just go to your friend from here, go to the messages. So if it's your friend, I'll see from here, you can just tell him, can you please give me the last status or something like this, and he may actually send you the status. So if you can't actually get the status from him directly, there's one other method. You can go back to the status from here and you can actually record a video if it wasn't video. But if it wasn't a video, you can actually just take a screenshot from here. So just you can hold the screen. You can now take a screenshot, and as you see, if we go to the gallery, you will find the same status recorded and screenshotted. So WhatsApp status doesn't have security or privacy because it's a public thing. So if you got the screenshot or if you got the video from here, there is actually no problem because it's a public thing. So that's actually how you download WhatsApp status to gallery. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.